21st century solutions for the benefit and betterment of mankind and the environment. Nature in perfect equilibrium with clear, pure air, lush, healthy vegetation, luxuriant, flourishing agricultural land. Idyllic scenery and natural harmony with flora and fauna in ecological balance. Unpolluted waters filled with fish, the wasteful nature of present-day water resources. But beneath this seemingly wholesome facade, the enemy lurks, heralding the destruction of our environment. The result of irresponsible monoculture practice in the areas of agriculture, forestry, and horticulture. The wool louse, one of the many plant-sucking parasites whose larvae cause much damage to the crucifers, and in particular the cabbage fly. The scorpion fly, the larvae of the brown mealy worm, which can reach a length of up to 1 inch, and the widespread green fly, to name just a few. Year after year, pests cause great damage to woodlands, agricultural lands, and gardens. But the methods used in an attempt to conquer the marauding insect plague have, even today, a much further reaching effect on the environment and are highly questionable. The most important members of this chemical chamber of horrors are poisons which take effect through the digestive and respiratory systems or via surface contact, chlorodated hydrocarbons, phosphorus compounds, and highly toxic solids derived from carbonic acid. With our new product, FluoroGuard, we are introducing a completely natural substance which is produced by the Hisabian method and which represents the environmentally friendly and organically derived alternative to other toxic means of pest control. FluoroGuard nourishes and strengthens your plants and at the same time acts as an effective deterrent to insect pests. Despite its highly effective nature, the use of our product is completely safe both for humans and the environment. It brings increased resilience to both agricultural and domestic plants and helps to protect them from pest damage. We will use a graphic example to demonstrate the way in which FluoroGuard works. The product is sprayed onto the affected areas of the plant in aerosol form using a suitable spray container. The unique physical properties of the active ingredients either partially or completely restrict the mobility and respiratory functions of the insects in the sprayed area. And therefore, they die within a few hours. Parts of the solution diffuse into the sap transport system of the plant and the individual plant cells through the stomata and the epidermis of the leaves. Here, the product provides for measurable stimulation of the cell production process and thus for increased foliage growth. FluoroGuard is easy to use and can be applied with any normal plant spray. It is equally suitable for the treatment of horticultural plants and agricultural crops, whether in the home, garden, agriculture, or forestry. As our product contains no biotic or toxic elements, you won't even have to take the usual safety precautions such as wearing gloves or a mask when using it. The effects of FluoroGuard have been scientifically verified and confirmed by the research department at Bielefeld University in Germany. A further advantage of our product is that it selectively attacks only the harmful insect pests. While other common means of pest control destroy all insects across the board, FluoroGuard has no harmful effects on useful insects, such as the bumblebee, which acts as a pollinator. Also, the ladybug, which is the natural enemy of the greenfly, is a major contributor to the control of the greenfly population in ornamental or crop-building cultures. The common bee is an important agent in the production of honey. All of these are in no way harmed by use of FluoroGuard. The application of safe means of pest control has become imperative in modern-day agriculture, just as the growing of fruit and garden produce. With FluoroGuard, we have created a product which, as it works in a purely biological way, provides a real alternative to other means of pest control, and which is totally in keeping with the new ecological and environmentally friendly way of thinking. No traces of Fluorogard remain in the plant. There is no risk of contamination in any stage of the food chain, right down to dishing up at the table. Fluorogard helps to reduce both water and soil pollution and thus assist in the conservation of the natural resources so vital for our future.